Welcome back. TVJ Sports understands that West Ham United's Michail Antonio, alongside the three other new faces who were in the provisional squad, will not be a part of Jamaica's final squad for the CONCACAF Gold Cup. Simon Preston has the details.
The British-born quartet of Michail Antonio, Kemar Roof, Jordan Cousins and Kevin Stewart may have to wait until September to make their debut for the Reggae Boys, as they are expected to miss out on Jamaica's 23-man Gold Cup roster. The four are still awaiting receipt of their Jamaican passports. Meanwhile, 11 players who are part of Jamaica's semi-final run at the 2019 edition of the Gold Cup will be in the United States for this year's staging. That set comprised of captain Andre Blake, Michael Hector, Alvis Powell, Leon Bailey, Shamar Nicholson, Junior Flemings, Dwayne Miller, Damian Lowe, Tyreek McGee, Kemar Taxi Lawrence and Devon Williams. TVJ Sports understands that the rest of the squad should have Dennis Taylor, Adrian Mariappa, Liam Moore, O'Neill Fisher, Amari Bell, Daniel Johnson, Lamar Walker, Blair Turgott, Jamal Lowe, Bobby Reed, Corey Burke and Javon East. Brentford FC's Ethan Pinnock was due to represent the boys in the Gold Cup, but has decided to stay with his club for pre-season training ahead of the English Premier League season in August. The JFF is working overtime to try to get attacking midfielder Ravel Morrison a US visa ahead of the tournament. If he is successful before the end of Thursday, then he is expected to replace one of the midfielders in the squad. The 2021 edition of the CONCACAF Gold Cup is set to run from July 10 to August 1. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.